Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to enable backup on this laptop. To enable backup, go through the following steps. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Next, in the Home menu, wait until it loads, and once it does, scroll down to the Cloud Storage and then select Sign in to OneDrive. Enter your Microsoft email address and click Sign in. If you don't have a Microsoft account, click Create Account and proceed by creating it. Then you can change the backup folder location by clicking Change Location and selecting the location on in your File Explorer. Once you're done, click Next. Then select the folders that you want to backup, and to start the backup, click Start Backup and wait until your files are backed up. Click Next. Next again. Next, and if you want to get the mobile app, click right here and proceed by downloading the mobile app, or you can click later and do it later. Okay, at this point you can close this window. And now let's go to Accounts section, scroll down to Windows Backup, and as you can see, OneDrive, app lists and preferences on your computer are being backed up. The last step that you can take is verify your identity in order to sync your passwords. So to do that, click Verify. Then in order to verify your identity, you're gonna have to enter the code that will be sent on your email once you click this icon right here. Now check your email address and enter the code that you received in the following field. Once you enter this code, click Verify. And now it is done. The Windows backup is fully set up on your laptop. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.